I'm James reporting for Inkish from Drupa 2024. We're here on the BW Papersystems stand with a long-standing customer of theirs, Performance Paper Products, Bradley. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much for your time. Could you tell us a little bit about your business? What kind of work do you do?
We do specialty cut-size products. We've been in business for 39 years. We bought our first machine from BW Papersystems in 1999. And we've worked closely with them to take their machines and work with them to make them a custom machine to be able to do value-added cut-size products such as perforations and punching.
So what are the machines that you have installed over the years from BW?
We have an SLK60 that we modified to do specialty hole punching for bindery products. We also have a ProCut 4 that we've modified and worked with BW to do perforating, cross-perf, horizontal perforations.
And what are the particular advantages of the systems that you've installed in terms of responding to the trends in your market or bringing added value to your customers?
With the on-demand printing from our customers, they may need perforations in a certain location of a sheet that we can then accommodate. They might need different punching patterns that we can then modify our machine to accommodate their each individual request. So we can be very customized and value-added cut size.
And it's obviously a long-standing relationship, as you say. How is the relationship with BW and in terms of like technical support and after-sales service? How is the relationship with the business?
Excellent. We've had our business relationship since 1998 or so, and we are at the show today to look at new technology, new equipment to take our company to that next level of converting.
Is there anything in particular that you're interested in seeing here at Drupa at this show?
Well, we're particularly interested in talking with BW about equipment that cuts our make-ready and changeover times to various cut size, sheet sizes, and productivity. Increase our productivity.
Bradley, thank you very much for your time. I hope you have a great rest of the show.
Absolutely. Nice to meet you. Thank you.